Right, folks, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Good. Right, what we learned last class? Views, right? Okay, views are called as what in Power BI? What?
Visualization.
Very good. Visualizations. Visualizations. Next, views are called as what in Tableau? Tableau. He paid only for one course. He learned all the tools, sir. Then I have to collect more money. Okay, show me. Right. Now, yesterday we started our work with one thing that is called as selection steps. The selection steps advantage is we can do what? Row-wise calculation we can do it. Row-wise calculation we can do it. Second is what? We can apply some condition, we can apply it. That's what we applied. Less than $1,000, I don't want it, like that we applied it. Condition we can apply it. And if you want to remove the sum of the members, you can remove sum of members. Members is nothing but sum of the values, right? We removed the sum of the values, removed it. That's what the selection steps, what we got chance to do it. Next, what we learned? Column selector. We learned the column selector. The column selector is useful. The column selector is useful to select columns dynamically. To select columns dynamically. To select columns dynamic. To select columns dynamic. So, and we also know one more point, that column selector is impacting only one view or all the views which are available in the compound layout. All the views in the compound layout or only one view? Okay, right. So it impacts all views in the compound layout. In the compound layout, what are the things are available? Everything is impacted. Next we went for, what is that? View selector. It is useful to select views dynamically. To select views dynamically. To select views dynamically, it is useful. Now, next we have to go for, what is that? We went for legend. So legend is useful to provide some comment line, right? So like color codings, color decoding we want to do it, we can go on, we can do it. Color meaning we are going to provide it. Next we can go on, we can write the descriptions, you can write it. Descriptions about the short names, whatever we have it, we can write the descriptions of short names, we can write it. Now that's what we are doing in the lesson. Next we went for, what is that? Narrative view. So we need to go for narrative view. If you develop any paragraph reports, if you want it, if you want to develop any paragraph reports, if you want it, paragraph reports, if you want it, we can go and we can develop the paragraph reports very easily. In that paragraph, we have our own English language as well as values which are coming from database. Values which are coming from database. Next, we have the same way ticker is available. Ticker is available. The ticker also doing similar to the narrative view. Only thing is it can scroll the left to right or right to side like that, and it can slide it. These are the options what we have it. Now let us say we move on to the next one, that is called as, what is that? Test static test object. What is that? Static test object. If you want to write some static information, okay, to provide some static, to provide static info, it is useful. Next we went for, what is that? No results. So if whenever we get the report is writing no results, then we want to provide some guidelines to the business users, raise the remedy tickets, or what is that, to call to the customer care, this kind of things. If you want to write it, you can write it. Or most possibly what are the mistakes doing by the people, those are mistakes if you want to verify one by one, you can write over their guidelines. So that's what the purpose of no results. So once we completed views, I can say overall we completed analysis. What we completed? Analysis. So in analysis we did so many topics. We started our journey with what? Creating the catalog. Creating the catalog. We know now what is catalog, how to create the catalog. Or someone in the pen drive, they given their own reports catalog, you know how to point out that catalog to your server also. We know how to push to the proper folder and how to make our server to use that one. Then in the catalog, what are the folders available, like shared folder, my folder, system folder, we are aware of it. And the difference between shared folder and my folder also we are aware of it. Then we went for simple formatting stuff like column properties. There we went for style tab, what it is doing, column format, what it is doing, data format, what it is doing, conditional format, what it is doing, we learned about it. Then we went for edit formula. As part of that one, report level calculations we are doing it, and also we learned about the bins, we learned about it, and filter function we learned about it. Case when statement where it is going to take in the select statement. Then we went for the filters. We have 11 types of filters we have it. Providing the filter using criteria column, providing the filter using subject area column, using the reusability purpose saved filter we went for it. Fourth one is one report output as a filter, in another report we went for it. Fifth one, using variable as a filter we learned. Sixth one, SQL expressions, how to write it and how to convert the given filter into the SQL, and using the SQL functions like upper statement, length statement, substring statement, whatever we have the functions, right? Those things, how to use it in the filter condition, we are aware of it. As part of that one, length we calculated, length of the phone number not equal to 14 we calculated. Then we went for group filters. Group filters meaning more than two filters, whenever you are using it, automatically groups will be forming. That group filters we are aware of it. Then eighth one we went for column prompt. Ninth one we went for image prompt, and 10th one we went for variable prompt. 11th one is global filter or LTS filter or RPD filter, we learned about it. So these are the 11 types of filters what we learned. Then we went for combining with similar request, union all, intersection, minus, set operators, we learned about it. Then we went for direct database request, how to create a report without having the tables inside the RPD. Really those tables are not available in the RPD, but still we are able to develop the report using those tables. That's what called as direct database request, we learned about that. Then we went for views. In the views we started yesterday only, and we learned the two classes we completed, and we completed the views. These are the topics what we learned in the analysis. Okay, now today we'll try to start with next one, that is known as what is this? dashboards. End of the day, business user will love to see dashboard, not the report. Dashboard, not the report. Suppose I am a HR and I want to take care of only payroll. Then what I want? Payroll dashboard I want it. I won't open anything. I won't open anything. Just if you go for payroll, I should be able to see the payroll. Something like that. Okay, so nowadays this dashboard is not a new word. If you go for the Gmail also, you have the dashboard of the your Google account, right? And if you go for any other sites also, you have the dashboard of that one. Suppose you are going for some public sites here, this kind of Udemy also is one of the online courses. It is you might be aware of it. So here also we have the instructor dashboard. There you can see all our courses, whatever we published it, we can see it. So dashboard is nothing but what? Single point of contact, where I can see my total related information. So here we are creating the dashboard, that's fine. Based on rules we are going to create it. So that is the reason all our dashboards are called as role based dashboard. Payroll is what? One of the role. Recruitment is what? One of the role. If you go and try to see the profile of the HR, she will tell like, hey, I used to work only recruitment, nothing else I know. It is a big company. She will take care of only what? Recruitment activities only. Some HRs will tell, no, I am taking care of only learning management. I am academy guy. She will not involve in the recruitment. So the roles are available in HR department, different roles are available. How many roles are available, that many dashboards we are going to give it. The benefit of this global designing is, tomorrow you are implementing for not big company, very small company are implementing. As I said, it is a small company. One HR only may be taking care of recruitment activity as well as learning management activity also. Then I can go and I can provide these two dashboards permissions to that user. So if you create the dashboards roles based, then tomorrow providing permissions is very easy. We have to provide the permissions in a way recruitment HR should see only recruitment dashboard only. She should not see what? Anything else. Like that we have to provide the permissions. That is the reason we are going to create our dashboards. Dashboard is a template. It's useful to integrate a number of reports. Okay, and KPI, scorecards, whatever you created till now. In OBIEE, always will create role-based dashboards. Not only OBIEE, I given here OBIEE actually, but it may be any reporting tool basically. It may be Tableau or it may be Power BI, whatever you take it. Whenever they are creating the dashboard, they'll think about what? They're thinking about the roles available in that department. As per the roles only, they are going to create what? Dashboards. Right. End user. End user means who? Business users, customers or client will like to see only dashboards. And these dashboards are two types. One is called as my dashboard. By listening this word my dashboard, that means what? It is a personalized dashboard. I only can access it. My dashboard, no one else can access it. Your my dashboard, no one else can access it except you. Personalized dashboard. Second is available here, that is called as shared dashboard or corporate dashboard or public dashboard. Whatever name we are giving, all are one and same. So now how many types of dashboards we have? Two types. One is my dashboard, second is shared dashboard. That's it. Now by default, shared dashboards accessible to all users. However, admin can control by providing permissions. You created one dashboard and you didn't apply any permissions. No restrictions. Any permission you didn't apply means what? No restrictions. If no restrictions, everyone can access it, right? That one. But if I want to provide the permissions, who can access, who cannot access, I can control it. Now, my dashboard is a personalized view of the data. My dashboard will be created automatically whenever one user is created or activated. We can access my dashboard by clicking the dashboards menu, then my dashboard. For example, I am going here, then who I am, WebLogic, then I am trying to sign in. Here we have the link called as dashboards. There we have the link called as what? My dashboard. Now in the my dashboard, I am seeing one, two, three alerts I am seeing it, and some errors also I am seeing it. These errors may be because of, what is the because of here? See here, what is saying? Non-existence of the table called as supplier sales representative. What is the meaning? Whatever RPD available inside the server now, using that RPD, this report is not developed. Previous batch people developed this report using their own RPD. Now we changed our RPD, right? In our server, our RPD is available. In our RPD, we have the subject areas. What are the subject areas? In our RPD, we have the subject areas. What are the subject areas we have it? If you want, you can go and you can see it. Here table means what with respect to this one? Subject area. Okay, what are the subject areas we have it? B160 supplier sales DM, B160 supplier sales representative, date difference. Do I have the supplier sales representative? No, that's what it's throwing there. Okay, anyhow, some things are available here. If you want, what I can do is, I will go to the edit of this dashboard. Whatever we are getting the errors, right? Last, this one under filter view, I am removing it. I am adding your reports yesterday what you developed it. You developed some reports yesterday which are available in our folder. Let us say I am going for legend. Then I am going for view selector. Then I am going for some column selector. Then save it. Then run it. I am able to see what it is, column selector, and what it is, legend, and what you are seeing in the bottom, view selector it is. It is a view selector. Now let me log out. Or let me go to the personalized window. You can go for the, what is this, private window. Now I am going to the other window. There I can go for analytics portal. Then I am providing one user I created already. What is that? B160 DDR user we created with the password RRITech123. Now if you go and try to observe dashboards, my dashboard, will I able to see whatever I have integrated 3 reports, right? Will I able to see those things? No, I am not seeing anything. What is saying? The page has no content. To add content, click on edit here or on the toolbar. This is what the toolbar. From here also you can edit it. That means what I am trying to say is my dashboard is what? B160 DDR dashboard is B160 DDR only. WebLogic dashboard is WebLogic only. My dashboard is personalized one. One user my dashboard cannot be accessed by another user. That's what I want to tell. Second is available, that's called as shared dashboard. Next is what? Shared dashboard. Shared dashboard is public or corporate dashboard. Now it can be accessed by any user in the world, but they need to have valid permissions. How to create such a beautiful shared dashboard? Now we are going for creating one dashboard. The dashboard name I am deciding as RRI Tech dashboard. Then we have to select the location where you have to save it, and we have to add the content now or later, whatever you want, you can do it. How to do that one? Let us go for new. There is option called as dashboard. There is asking new dashboard. Choose a name and location of the new dashboard. Name we are giving your batch number B160 underscore. It is a shade underscore then it is a dashboard. Now let us go and try to click on here description. If you want to write it, you can write it, learn dashboards. Now what is this location, where you want to save it? Here you have to select the folder. Our folder is available B160. We are selecting that one. If you don't have the folder required, here bottom we have what is this browser catalog, and you can browse and you can create the new folder also. Now we can go for, as of now, B160 dashboards. You want to add the content now itself, or you want to add the content later, and at this point of time you want to create only empty dashboard. Whatever you want, you can do it. For example, I want to create the empty. Then click on OK. That's it. We created now one dashboard. Where I can see it? You have to go to the dashboards. Then we have to see here B160. Inside the B160, what is available? B160 share dashboard. We are seeing it. From here you can access it. If I click on that one, we got here B160 dashboard. We got it. But as of now, there is no content available. What is the test step 2 we are doing here? I want to create now one report. Very simple report. We know all the things whatever we have here, but we don't know one point. What it is? What it is prompted. First time we are listening, right? First time we are listening is prompted. What is the use of that one? What is the use of this one is, on which column we are giving this one? Reason column. Suppose you have one dashboard prompt. We have one dashboard prompt. The dashboard prompt is on the column called as region. And in that one, what other values are available? Central, east, west. Suppose user select the east. That will be accepted by this one. It has to accept means you have to select what is the option? Is prompted. That means is prompted is useful. Is prompted is useful to access what? Dashboard prompt values. What is the use of is prompted? Today nothing use. If you keep is prompted and if you run the report, if you remove is prompted and run the report, you will get the same result. Report level. Report level is prompted advantage is 0. Is prompted will be very useful once you integrate this report into the dashboard, and the dashboard prompt we are selecting some value. That value will be accepted by this report. We will see that practically. And one more benefit is there. What is this? Parent report values. We have two reports. In the parent, you clicked on the central. It is navigated to the child report. In the child report, it has to display only central related data, right? It has to display the central related data means from parent report to child report, we have to pass the parameter central or not. How you can pass it? Again, is prompted. So, is prompted benefits are only two. One is what? To accept dashboard prompt values. Second is what? To accept parent report values. That's it. To accept dashboard prompt values, to accept parent report values. That's it. Let us go and try to do this report. I am going for, I am in the WebLogic user. Sorry. Yeah. Now I am going to the new analysis, supplier sales representative. Then I am trying to take here one column called as region, district, then dollars. I am trying to provide here filter on the region. So the filter I am providing as is prompted, I am providing it. Then OK. Now we are seeing what? Region is prompted, we are seeing it. Now I am trying to save here. We are saving this one as, what do you want? Report 1, I am giving the name. and it's storing into the B160 folder. It is storing. Click on here, OK. Reason is prompted we given. I am trying to click on the result. What are you seeing the results? Because of reason is prompted, any result is stopped here. If I remove this filter, whatever we have here, if I run also, will I get the same data or not? Same data. So report level, in the report level is prompted whatever I am giving, it is not stopping any data. That is the reason we are saying as this is what? Impact is prompted impact at the report level is nothing. Okay, that is clear. I want to create here similarly 2 more reports I am developing. R2 report I am developing with columns what? Region, year, dollars, and same region is prompted is available. That means if I remove the district column, if I place year column, that is enough, right? Let me remove the district column. Let me place the year column then. I am placing the year column. I am doing a save as with the name of what? R2. Now third report also I am developing similarly R3 report I am developing with region type dollars. So if I remove this year column, if I provide here type item type, then results, then item type, then save as. Now we are writing here what is this? R3. Now 3 reports we have chance to develop it, R1, R2 and R3. Next one, I want to integrate these reports into where? Dashboards. So click on the dashboards and open our dashboard whatever we have, click on edit. So let us go and try to do that one. This is what our dashboards, and our dashboard is available here. Click on this. Here you can click on the edit here, or you can go here and you can click on the edit here. So I am trying to click on the edit. Now I am in the edit window. Try to understand here whatever we are seeing in this window. What are the main things are available? Number 1, what is this? Dashboard objects. Number 2, what is this? Catalog. Whatever you saved it, that is available under the shared folder only, right? And what it is? Main work area. We have to drop any content here only. It may be dashboard objects you may be dropping, or you may be dropping what? Reports you may be dropping. You have to drop here only or drop it. And any some properties you have to change it, like you have to create one new page, you have to save it, or you have to run it. These all things are what? Toolbar objects, toolbar properties. These are the 4 parts what we have here. Are you getting my point? Suppose whatever we have here, page 1, I want to rename this page 1. How I can do that? You have to go here. There is an option called as tools. There is an option called as dashboard properties. There we can see here what is the name? Page 1. What do we have here? Option rename. The page 1 I am renaming as, let us say, my goal is to integrate into this one. What is this? Report 1 and report 2. I have to integrate it. Report 1 and report 2. I have to integrate it. Now let us go and try to click on here. Okay. Now we can go and we can click on here. Okay. Report 1 and report 2 we integrate. We clicked on OK. Now what is the name we are seeing? Report 1 and report 2 we are seeing it. Now click on here what? One more page. If you want to add it, you can add it. My goal is I want to add one more dashboard page, and one more thing is option is what? Add sub page. The sub page option is not there in the 11C. Okay, what is the sub page is? If you see here, where it is creating under this dashboard page, it is creating what? One more page. It is creating it. For sample, I am creating some DD. Now what I am seeing here? Under this main page, we are seeing what? DD is the one more page we are seeing it. This is the main page and this is the sub page. And if you want to create one more sub page, then you can go and you can create here one more sub page. This is the sub page, how it is creating it. The sub page creating option is not available in 11C. Okay, now let us say I am going for again dashboard properties. Whatever we have here, sub pages, I am trying to delete it. This sub page also I am trying to delete it. Now we have only what? Main page only we have here. So let me click on here, okay. Now only main page we have it. And I want to create one more page, main page only I want to create it. I can create what? Add dashboard page. Then give the name as report 3 I want it. Report 3 I want it. Now let us go and try to integrate as per my naming terminology here. So where we have report 1 and report 2. If you go and try to observe, I have in the B160. Then we can see here R1, R2, R3. R1 I am trying to drag and drop. Where R1 is going to set it? In the chair or on the table? Where? Right. Where R1 is sitting? Inside the section. What is this section? Section is one of the dashboard object. Where this section is sitting? See, sir. What is this? Column. Column. Where this column is sitting? In the dashboard page. Where this dashboard page is sitting? In the dashboard. Where these all are sitting? In the catalog. Catalog folder only, right? End of the day. Where this all work is available, I can go and I can see in the catalog, right? Yes. So, and under one dashboard, you have here a number of pages, right? Under one page also, you may have a number of columns. A number of columns. Under one column also, you may have a number of sections. Under one section also, you may have a number of reports. Now R1 is already available. I am dragging and dropping R2 inside the section 1. Then I am able to see both are available. If I click on save, click on run, now I am able to see R1 and below that one R2. I don't want to see below, I want to see side here. How I can see it. Edit the dashboard again. Then we can go for whatever we have the R2, I want side. Then what I can do here, we have section properties. This is called as section. Then section properties we can see here. What is this? Horizontal layout. Click on that. Now we are seeing R1 and R2 side by side. Click on the save. Click on run. Now we are able to observe R1 and R2 side by side. Let me go for edit dashboard. Now, okay, that's fine. We have now two reports we integrated here. Third one, I want to integrate where? In the report 3. Let me trying to drag and drop. R3 here. Then try to save it. Click on run. Now we are seeing here report 1 and report 2. And followed by this one, what we are seeing? Report 3, we are seeing it. That's it. We created one simple dashboard. But in this dashboard, as of now, what we integrated? Only reports. It's not interactive, right? But in the title, if you go and try to observe, what is this one? Where is the interaction? Only dashboard is there. Interaction is not there. How to get the interaction? How to get the interaction? That we are going to incorporate by taking help of the dashboard. Sorry, prompt. By taking help of the dashboard prompt. Dashboard prompt. We know already how to create the prompts. We are aware of it at the report level. We know already how to create the prompts at the view level. Table level prompts, graph level prompts, pivot table level prompts, we are aware of it. Now we are going to learn about what? Dashboard level, how to create the prompts. That we can create very easily by going to the new. There is an option is available. What is this? Dashboard prompt. I am trying to click on here dashboard prompt. Then I am going for supplier sales representative. Then it is asking here I want to go for what? Column prompt. I think this window is very familiar window or not for you. Report level we did this one, same window. Now column prompt. On which column I want to apply is region. Then OK. Then OK. Then save it. This one we are giving the name as what is this? Region. Then dashboard. Then prompt. Region dashboard prompt. Now we clicked on the OK. Now we got the region dashboard prompt. We got it. Where it is stored? In our B160 folder it is stored. In B160 folder it is stored. But my goal is I want to integrate this one into the dashboard, right? So how to do that one? Again visit the dashboard. Then edit the dashboard. Then try to drag and drop whatever we have here. B160. Then region dashboard prompt. Here. That I am trying to drag and drop. On top of the section only I am trying to drag it up. That means what? Separate section I am trying to create it. If you drag and drop report directly in the column, report cannot sit in the column. Report will sit where? Only in section. If you drag and drop outside the section, then it will create the section for you. So I am trying to drag and drop outside the section. So it created a section for you that is called as section 2. Now I am seeing the region dashboard prompt here. Save it, run it. Now we got here region dashboard prompt. Let me select here some values. Let us say central. Then apply. What data we are seeing here? What data we are seeing here? Now we got the interaction. Now title is fulfilled, right? Interactive dashboards. Interactive dashboard. Now if I am selecting here, let us say central and east. Apply. We are seeing what? Central and east. Now I created what dashboard prompt I create? What prompt I created? Dashboard prompt. This is going to impact only this page or also this page also? Only this page? Then why it is called as dashboard prompt? Sir, no. Title is not fulfilling, right? So it is going to impact what? Report 3 also. See here in the report 3, what you are seeing? Central. Next what you are seeing in the bottom? East. Are you seeing the west? No. Why? Because we selected what we selected here? Central and east. For example, I am selecting here, let us say west. Apply. What you are seeing? West. In the report 3, what you are seeing? West. So it is impacting only that page or it is impacting all the pages? All the pages. Now my goal is I want this prompt to impact only that page. Wherever it's sitting, only that page only it has to impact, not the rest of the pages. What to do? Right. What you have to do is let us go to the edit dashboard. Then go to the report 1 and report 2. Then we have here option of the properties. Which properties we are observing here? Dashboard prompt properties. Putting your cursor proper position is very important. Whatever we are seeing this XYZ is what properties it is? Dashboard prompt properties. If you put like this, if you click on here, what are properties you are seeing? What properties? Section level properties. If you are putting like this here, what properties it is showing? Column properties. So selecting that box is very important. Now I want to go for dashboard prompt properties XYZ. There is an option called as what? Scope. How many options we have? Dashboard and page, two options are available. Let me select here page. Once selected, also just confirm really we selected properly or not. It's selected properly. Now go for save, run, then select here best. Apply. What you are seeing here? These two reports are impacted. What about the report 3? Will it impact or not, madam? Will impact or not? Impact or not? Not. Excellent. So why? Because we given what? Page scope is the page we given. That is the reason we are not able to see central, east and west. Are you getting my point? So only selected west, but still we are seeing what? All the data. That means it is not impacting. Next point. Suppose let us say I want to have here one more thing that is called as district also I want it. Can I create it? How to do that? Edit. Then I want here one more column prompt. Then I want to add here district. Okay. Okay. Save it. Then go to the dashboard. Then B160. Now what you are seeing here? If I select the district like California, click on apply, is it impacting? Is it impacting? Why? Because you are giving the California value. To accept it, report level district is prompted should be there. In the report level, there is no what? District is prompted is not available. That is the reason, even though we are giving it, as district is prompted is not available, it is not accepting it. Are you getting my point? For example, let us say I am going for edit dashboard. Only report 1 I will modify. Report 1 how to modify? Edit. There is edit analysis. Then I am going here criteria district. Then I am providing here a filter is prompted. Now save it. Now go to the return to the dashboard. Return. Now I am selecting here district is equal to California. Click on apply. Before click on apply, you can see district, all the districts we are seeing it, right? Now I selected California, apply. What are you seeing? Only this is it impacted? No. Only this is impacted. Why? Because in the R1 only we have the district is prompted available. I want to align region, district we are seeing one below another, right? One side another I want to see it. How I can see it? How to align it? You have to do that alignment by going to the dashboard prompt. Here we have one option. What is this? New column. If you select here itself you can see the preview also. How it is appearing? If I remove this one, how it is appearing? One below another. So new column option will help you to organize side by side or top and bottom. Huh? Huh? Horizontal? Where? New? On top of the column, this one. Column based layout, that is, it is rows based layout. Both are one and same, right? No, that's what. Here, new column. Here, this option is changing. This option is changing. If you click here or if you click here, both are, it is changing this one. If you select here or if you select here, both are same. Okay, right. Okay, now We are trying to select a new column option. We got it. Now apply reset buttons also. I want this place. What I can do here, I have, what is this? Edit this page. There I am seeing here place buttons below prompts, place buttons on side of prompts. Okay, now we are able to see side. I don't want reset button. I don't want reset button. Then again edit, show reset button. I am disabling it. Okay, then we got it. We are not seeing it. Now apply button also I don't want it. Then what will happen? Apply button also I don't want it means what will happen? That is, if you select here region, let us say central, if you click outside, immediately what happening? Submitting, and we are getting the data. That is called as auto submit. But in this process, what is the headache is, if I want to select the let us say n number of things, let us this prompt some values and this prompt some values, and once you select all the values, I want to run it. Okay, it won't run in that way. Once you complete one prompt selection, if you click your cursor outside, immediately that part will run it. Because that one what multiple SQL queries will be running. Let us say 10 prompts are available. First prompt selection is completed, second prompt one query will be running. The second prompt selection is complete means one more query will be running. Like the 10 prompts are available means what will happen? 10 SQL query will be running, because that one server will be impacted. So better to keep the, what is that? Apply button. Let us go and try to keep it. Let us edit. In the bottom here we have the apply button, even reset button also I am keeping it. Then save it. Now, okay, we are clear about these two things. Right? Now I am selecting here central. I am selecting here. What we are seeing here? Only central corresponding districts or all the districts? Central corresponding means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only should have. But what we are seeing here? What to do if I want to display only central corresponding districts only means? If you select like this, what will happen? User may select here, I don't have the US geography understanding. If I select the Florida, click on apply, it gives the no result, because Florida is not available in the central. So we have to make sure what district is showing the options only whatever available in particular region. Then what to do? Edit this dashboard, modify the dashboard prompt. Then district has to edit. District we have to edit in a way it has to listen what? It has to listen region. Region whatever we selected, that corresponding only we are supposed to get it. That is called as limited values. That is called as limited values. In Tableau it is called as relevant values. In Cognos it is called as cascading prompts. In SAP it is called as list of cascaded values. Something like that. Different terminals will be available in different tools. So here we have the limited values is the option what we have it to do that. Now I am trying to click on here save. Again visit the dashboard. Then try to observe here, let's say central. Now what you are seeing here? Central corresponding things only we are seeing it. If I select here Texas, apply, we are able to see that. Okay, now we are good. Let us go and try to revert it. Whatever we have the district, I don't want it, I am removing it. I removed, save it. Then I am going to the dashboard. This is what we got. Even report one also I want to revert it. So let us go and try to edit the dashboard. Report one, edit, analysis. Now I am going here criteria. I am removing the district is prompted whatever available. I am removing it. Now one question I am asking here. I am selecting is equal to is in, then central, then OK, then save, then return. Here I given the filter statically or not? Now if you click on this return, then let us say if I select here, by default what is showing? Now question is east. If I select, if I click on apply, what will happen? Will it give the east data? This is I am talking about only report one. Will it give the east data or not? If you tell correctly, then I'll give the 5-star chocolate. Or else tomorrow you have to print. What is that? Will it change or not? Not changes. Sure. Everyone. Wow, great. I'm clicking on apply. What happened? It changed. It changed. So it behaves against our logical thinking actually. Logically, whatever you thought, that is correct. But it will changes. It will changes. If we have the on the region, we have the static filter also. Dashboard prompt able to change it. Dashboard prompt able to change it. Right. Now I want to go for here, edit the dashboard. Then we are going for here, report one, edit analysis. Whatever we given here, static filter, even though static filter is changing, but we are strictly, we want always that show the central data only. You should not listen the dashboard prompt. You should not listen the dashboard prompt. What should I do? There is the option called as, what is this? Protect. Protect with one lock and key. It is protecting. Now as it is protecting, right? As it is protecting, now tell me if I select here, central, if you tell right, then you have to give the 5-star chocolate. Okay, tell me. Okay, now if you select here east, let us say, what will happen? Will impact or not? Impact or not? It won't impact because it is a protected filter. It is a protected filter. Okay, I think this is what I want to cover. And one more point is I think I left here. That is this point. This also will let me cover. What is I want to cover is here. Let us say, what is the name here? Report one. Let us say I am going to the catalog. Whatever we have here, report one in the B160 folder. The report one more I am going. There is option is what? Rename. Rename. If I click on the rename, then what is asking? Provide some name. Let us say I am providing here report one new. Something I give and report one new. I am clicking on OK. I renamed it. Now tell me what is the life of my dashboard. My dashboard will show the report one or not? Are you getting my point? Now, if you go and try to open the dashboard, it won't show the report one. It's throwing here only report two, only showing it. Why the reason? If you go and try to observe, edit the dashboard, what is this one yellow triangle we got, right? What it's saying? Referenced catalog object is inaccessible. What it is referring? R1 it is referring. But R1 is not there. You renamed that as a report one underscore new, you renamed it. So let me revert it. I am reverting this one as edit rename. This one I am reverting as R1. If I revert it, it is going to start again working or not? If you want, you can go and you can see here it is working. So once you integrated the reports into the dashboard, can I change the report name? Huh? Directly we should not. Directly we should not. What is the other way? What is the other way is, let us go to the catalog, then whatever we have here report one, again rename, then I can do here, what is this? Let us say report one underscore, what is this? New. There is option, what is this? Preserve references to the old name of this item. If I select that one, click on OK. Now what happened here? R1 shortcut created. The shortcut is pointing to what means this report 1 underscore new only is going to point out. Because of that one, some dashboards may be pointing to the R1, some dashboards may be pointing to the report 1 underscore new. Doesn't matter, it will work. Backend two objects are not there. Physically what happened? One object only. But other object what is there? Shortcut is there. Are you getting my point? Shortcut is available. The shortcut you cannot edit it anyhow. We have to edit anything means you have to edit where? In the report 1 new only. But whatever you are editing, that will automatically reflect into where? Arc. I think everyone aware of the shortcut what it is. I need not explain much. Now if you go and try to open the dashboard, what will happen? Still it is working or not? And what name it is showing? Report 1 new. That means if I select the preserve references to old name of this item, then automatically new name is reflecting or not? New name is reflecting, and old name anyone using statically somewhere also still it is working. I can compare this one with the presentation layer aliases. Presentation layer aliases I can compare with that. There also what? Old names are remembering in the aliases tab. Because of that one only, all our reports are continuously working even though you rename it. Similar to that. And same option, we have one more way we can access it. What it is? Catalog manager. It is one of the Windows basic tool. It is useful for majorly deployment purpose. Deployment from development to testing to production. Let me open this. I am going to the file menu, open the catalog. URL I have to provide. Then I have to provide the username, password, then OK. Then expand your catalog root, expand your shared folder. What is this? B160. Now we can see in the B160, what you are seeing? What are you seeing, sir? Report 1, report 2 we are seeing, right? Let us say report 2, I am right clicking. There are two options. What is this? What is this? What is the difference? Rename and smart rename means what? Directly renaming. Smart rename means what? Nothing but preserve old name of this item is available, right? Like that renaming. We'll go for the smart rename, we'll verify it. Smart rename, yeah, I'm giving the name as report 2 underscore new. Then it is trying to verify all the objects. It is going to the quick start dashboard, then it is going to the 02 visualization, then 03 mobile next, 04 maps and spatials. Whatever reports our system don't know, right? This report is available in what are the dashboards. One report I can drag and drop into where? N number of dashboards. This report is available in what are the dashboards, system don't know. So it is verifying one by one. Wherever it finds the R2, it replaces with what? Report 2 underscore new, it is going to replace it. That is what it is going to take some time. Once it is completed everything process, then it is going to give you one report to you. What are the places I changed? Like that is going to give the report. Now we are going to get one report. I changed one place. That's why it's going to get it. Because I used report in how many places? One place only I changed, right? See what is saying? Items changed. Which dashboard it changed? B1 share dashboard. In which page? Report 1, report 2 page it changed. That's why it's giving the clear information. If you click on OK, now if you go and try to observe here, let us say, let's just refresh it. How to refresh? Press F5. Then now what you're seeing? Report 2 underscore new, we are seeing it. That's what the meaning of this meaning. Now we already aware of what? Just now we covered the dashboard prompt. Already I discussed about column prompt I discussed. You try to practice your own image prompt. You try to practice your own variable prompt. So I can say I am marking these prompts are completed. Tomorrow I am going to start with what? Dashboard objects. I am going to start tomorrow. Am I clear? So today what we learned? How to create dashboard, how to create interactive dashboard. Dashboard means only the report object, there is no interaction. Interact dashboard means reports as well as dashboard prompts both together. Thank you. Bye bye.